Hey everybody, Michael Snyder, California Weather Watch. Today is March 14th, and right now we are looking at the mid-level water vapor loop. Check out the amount of precipitation covering much of the state of California. Some chilly conditions out there as well. Some lower snow levels, some mountain snows incoming, some gusty winds. We'll take a look at the latest on that here as we go through the video this morning. And if we take a look at what's been going on the last 24 hours, a lot of lightning, especially southern Arizona, back into the desert areas, transverse range up and down the San Joaquin and the Sacramento Valley, even across portions of Nevada, even a few lightning strikes down towards Southern California as well. Very active weather day down across the region, and no doubt. And taking a look at things right now, I mean, look at Fresno. It is 43 degrees. What is this, Seattle, Pacific Northwest here? Bakersfield, chilly 43, my goodness. And yeah, you can see widespread rainfall out there. Look at Sacramento at 44 degrees as we speak right now. And we take a look here at Oroville. Again, a pretty chilly 42 degrees. So yeah, there is some lower elevation snowfall occurring across some of the foothill communities. If we take a look across Southern California, check it out. Big Bear is 23 and it is snowing right there. There's Sandberg at 27 degrees and snow is flying. I mean, even down across some of what is this? We're looking at Camarillo at 47. LAX is a chilly 49. Some rain off and on there as well. So if we take a look at what's going on here, you can see even the Sacramento National Weather Service mentioning those lower snow levels, 1 to 2,000 feet. They will be rising as we go through the day today, but still not a good day to travel back and forth across the passes. And we have another system Sunday through Monday potentially rolling in here with lowering snow levels by the time we get in towards Monday here. So kind of keep that in the back of your mind. Saturday, probably the better day to travel, even though there will be more people on the roads being a weekend. Now take a look at gusty winds, southerly, gust to 45 miles per hour. The wind advisory does include Sacramento, Stockton, there's Fairfield and Modesto right here. So heads up for that. And across some of the higher terrains, very gusty also. And let's back this up so we can see where we are right about now. You see the winds picking up as we go through the later morning hours today. It starts to wane for the Sacramento Valley as we go through this evening coming up. But you see these winds picking up across the peninsula, transverse some of the Sierra Nevada desert areas as we go through tonight and this evening. Watch out for those crosswinds out there, high profile vehicles, be careful all the way on into tomorrow morning. Then we start to wane those winds a little bit here. We start to relax that gradient, but then we bring the next system in here as we go through the day Sunday across Northern California. Some gusty winds returning to some of the Sacramento Valley, Sierra Nevada, and really ripping across portions of Nevada as well as we go through the day on Sunday. You see that frontal system pushing down, starting to approach the Bay Area by the time we get on in towards Sunday afternoon. Now the snowfall forecast for today, 12 to 18 for Blue Canyon. Look at South Lake Tahoe, 6 to 8. So yeah, watch out for that. And again, the lower snow levels is kind of driving home that point. Probably not the best day to travel here today. Definitely tomorrow is better. And now looking at atmospheric river storm here, I mean, we've got some pretty heavy precipitation amounts showing up. You can see Crescent City, Eureka, 3 to 5 inches there. Hayfork, Mount Shasta up towards 5 inches as well. I'll show you that system and the weather models in a moment. This high surf advisory is wrapping up right now, but expect some of that wave action to continue through the day. Today, you got winter storm warnings, you got wind advisories, high wind warnings for Tehachapi, winter weather advisories, all kinds of stuff is still going on in this very chilly air mass across much of Southern California. And same thing for Reno. Reno National Weather Service does cover portions of California. And if I click on that, you can see some of these wind gusts, 80 over some of the ridges. And yeah, some of these total 6 to 14 Donner and Echo summits, locally higher amounts possible. So again, be careful traveling out there today, Saturday and Sunday, probably definitely better days, or you might want to just wait till next week, depending on how strong that next system comes in here. But anyway, there goes the system we dealt with yesterday. Then this kind of inside slider, chilly air mass over the region for today on into tomorrow. Next system up as we go on in through Monday. Coming up here, we got another system. We'll check that one out on precipitation details in a moment. But if a transient ridge and another system tries to take a swing at us as we go through the next following Wednesday there, and then maybe we start to get a break as we go through the extended. I don't want to get people's hopes up too much just yet. And I know a lot of people like this active weather. Precipitation definitely beneficial for the state, but you can see this ridge extend upwards through the extended forecast. We'll see how that trends here over the next few days. And if we take a look at excessive rainfall outlook, day one, nothing. But day two, we start to reintroduce it. And that was what the Eureka National Weather Service was talking about. The marginal risk starts to include Northwest California on day 2 and day 3. Now, taking a look at what we should be dealing with over the next few days. This is for today. I mean, the snow is flying. The chilly air is around. This is late morning. And check it out. We could deal with this precipitation all the way on in through tonight. Still some snow flying through tomorrow morning. Then we get a bit of a break here. The next system starts to bear down, and then you can see the axis of this atmospheric river Saturday night into early Sunday morning. Look at it, just absolutely pegging southwest Oregon, Northern California at times as we go through the day. Sunday front starts to slide down across the Bay Area as we go through Sunday night and into Monday morning. Starts to make its way to Southern California. Should bring a little bit of precipitation with it as well. Another nice shot of snowfall here for the Sierra Nevada, and that would be starting basically on Sunday evening for much of the Sierra Nevada, then sliding down the mountain range there and then pushing off, and we'll finally get a break after that. We got another system coming though as we go through the day Wednesday, and we'll continue to monitor just how strong this frontal system is going to be and how far south that precipitation does get. Lightning flash density potential. So we'll scroll through the next few days here, and this is for this afternoon. We do have a thunderstorm threat this afternoon, as you see there. And then we scroll on in towards Saturday, nothing doing there. Sunday, there's Monday. We start to bring that next thunderstorm threat on the afternoon on Monday, so we'll watch that one coming up as well. Now, total precipitation in inches, this is going through 72 hours. So let me back this up and we'll play through today a little bit. And you can kind of see that precipitation across Southern California. And then we bring the next rainfall maker in here. And again, you can see the big amounts across Southern Oregon, Northern California, lesser amounts across Southern California there as we go through Tuesday. And then the next system will be after that. We'll worry about that later. Now, maximum individual wave heights as we go through the day today. You can see a little bit of a relax there for Southern California as we go through the day. But then we got additional wave action. It'll be introducing itself towards the coastlines here over the next few days, going on into early next week. See that bump for Southern California as we go on into Monday night and next Tuesday. So just check before you go. National Weather Service forecast on surf advisory, especially if you're a mariner out there. I'm sure you guys know the drill though. Now, looking at today, you can see the rip current risk for Southern California is high. West facing beaches 5 to 8 this morning, decreasing 3 to 6. Local sets to 7 feet as you go through the day today. No thunderstorms expected. Even got a water temperature forecast for you as well. And you can see the tides also. Now, this is for the Bay Area. West facing beaches 10 to 14. South facing beaches 6 to 9. Water temperature is probably in the low 50s. Pretty typical for this time of year. In fact, it's even a little bit below normal for this time of the year. But yeah, high temperatures on the chilly side, and there are the ocean temperatures. You see how it is a little bit warmer there across Southern California, but by no means are these warm temperatures out there. I mean, you're talking about water temperatures in the low 50s, very chilly. Hope you can bring your wetsuit out there in Northern California also. Now, any mariners out there or anybody used to print these out in the old school days, they still do these Pacific surface analysis. This is something you would print off, something you'd see back in the 90s on the movie The Perfect Storm, where they print these out on the boat and the captain takes a look at this stuff. They're like, okay, there's storm systems there and they're going to end up moving there. And here's the cold front and whatnot. There's the high pressure and the lows and the gales out there as well. So a bit of a blast of the past there for some of the old school mariners that I know watch this channel from time to time. Now, looking at total snow-to-chair ratio. So here we go through the day to day. Look at some of these amounts across the Sierra Nevada. You know, quite nice to see that because we are below normal snow water equivalent speaking. And then we get the next system that rolls in here on Monday with another nice round for the Sierra Nevada. And then hopefully that Wednesday system can bring yet another round. We will definitely use it, and we will definitely love to store that across the higher terrain off in towards the spring and the summer months, no doubt. Here's the 6 to 10 day, starting to introduce that below normal for some southern portions there. We'll watch that one. 6 to 10 day as well, below normal temperature also. So anyway, so I feel a little bit better today. So hopefully no more sicknesses coming up here. Kids are sick and everything, and sore throats out there. So thought I'd just take a day off yesterday. But anyway, hope you guys are liking the channel. Click like and subscribe. We'll do this all again tomorrow, and I will talk to you guys then.